Judge the caulk pressure by feel and visual feedback rather than by force alone. When applying caulk, start with the gun held at a consistent 45-degree angle and begin with light pressure to push a continuous bead into the joint. Keep the bead moving at an even speed so you do not overfill or leave gaps. And if the caulk strings or blobs you are pushing too fast or squeezing too hard. After laying the bead, use a tooling method such as a rounded finger or a dedicated caulk tool to compress the sealant into the joint so it bonds to both sides. Press firmly enough to seat the material, but not so hard that you displace it from the joint. Work in short sections no longer than the tooling time of your product so the surface skin does not form before you finish shaping. Wipe excess material immediately with a damp cloth for water-based products or the appropriate solvent for solvent-based products, and smooth the bead with a single continuous motion to avoid ridges. Check manufacturer instructions for tooling time and joint size recommendations, and if you need a neater edge, use masking tape removed before skinning occurs. Common mistakes include pressing too lightly so the caulk does not contact both sides of the joint, which causes poor adhesion and early failure. Correct this by tooling with enough pressure to spread the material into the gap until it slightly thins and contacts each substrate. Another problem is overpressing and displacing the bead, which creates voids behind the caulk and weakens the seal. Avoid this by using steady, moderate pressure and practicing on scrap material to calibrate your feel. A third issue is waiting too long to tool, so the surface skins and you get a bumpy finish and poor adhesion. Prevent this by working within the product-specific tooling window and tooling immediately after extrusion. On bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners find local contractors and review their past work through community discussions and user feedback. We also help contractors connect with homeowners looking for jobs and participate in our discussion community to answer questions and share real-world tips.